In this session, we'll learn how to arrange the rational numbers in descending order. When I say descending order, it means from the bigger number to the smaller number. So out here, we are going to arrange the bigger rational numbers to the smaller rational numbers. Alright? So I've just put up some 5 rational numbers here. 7 by 10, 2 by 5, negative 11 by 15, 1 by 6, and 17 by 30. And we also know that the positive rational numbers are greater than the negative one. So from this, we could just make out this is going to be the smallest one. Don't you think so? Okay, for this, just to find out what we need to do first, step 1 is to find the LCM of the denominators. Now, what are the denominators? LCM of 10, 5, 15, 6 and 30, right? So let's find the LCM. Yes, so we know how to find the LCM. That is 10 and you have a 5, 15, 6 and 30. So let's see, 10, 5, 15. According to the test of divisibility, 5 would go, right? 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. 5 times 3 is 15, 6 and 5 6 are 30. Then comes the next number. Yeah, 2 would go. 2 1s are 2. 1 would remain the same. Sorry, 3 comes down. 2 3s are 6. 2 times 3 is 6. Finally, we have 3 remaining out there. So let's take the 3. 1, 1. 3 1s 3. 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 1, 3. So now what are the factors here? The prime factors. It is 5 into 2 into 3. How much does it give us? 5 2s 10, 3s are 30. So the LCM is 30. So that was step 1 to find the LCM of the denominators. Now step 2. Let's take each rational number and turn them into all the like fractions or like rational numbers. So you have 7 by 10, the first one. So 7 by 10, you need to get the LCM as 30. So what would go? 10 times 3 is 30. The same factor, bring it up. 7 3s are 21. So we got 21 by 30. Let's take the next rational number, 2 by 5. So when you have 2 by 5, you need to get the LCM 30. So you got 5 6 are 30. Bring it same thing up. 6 2s are 12. 12 by 30. Then let's take negative 11 by 15. Yeah, negative 11 by 15. So what do we get? Negative 11 by 15. So we need to get a 30. What do we get? 15 2s are 30. Negative 11 into 2 is negative 22. Let's take the next rational number, that is 1 by 6. Am I right? 1 by 6, yes. So 1 by 6, we need to get the next rational number. 1 by 6, you need to get a 30. So 6 times 5 is 30. 1 times 5 is 5. So 5 by 30. Next comes 17 by 30. I'll write it here. Lack of space. 17 by 30 is into 1. You get the LCM 30. Into 1, you get 17 by 30. So now we've got 21 by 30, 12 by 30, negative 22 by 30, 5 by 30, and 17 by 30. So we're working on the descending order of rational numbers. So now tell me, which is the greatest rational number out here? You have a 21, 22? No, it's a negative rational number, so there's no way it can be the greatest. So the greatest number out here is 21 by 30. So 21 by 30 comes first. And then what comes after 21 by 30? You get 17 by 30. Wonderful. 17 by 30. I'll just strike it off to make things easier. Then we have 12 by 30. Yes, 12 by 30. Then we have 5 by 30. And finally, as we all know, the negative one is always the smallest. That is negative 22 by 30. So now what are the corresponding rational numbers to this? So 21 by 30, the corresponding rational number is 7 by 10. 7 by 10, which is greater than, next one is 17 by 30. So we get it as 17 by 30 out here. 17 by 30. Then comes, next one is 12 by 30. The corresponding the rational number is 2 by 5, which is greater than, next one is 5 by 30. So you get 1 by 6, which is greater than the final one, negative 11 by 15. So now we have arranged all the rational numbers in the descending order. So may I reiterate that once again? We need to find all these rational numbers. We have to arrange them in descending order. The step 1 is to get the LCM. We did the LCM around here. And when we multiply the factors here, these are all the prime factors. You know what are prime factors? Numbers which have only 2 factors. Yeah? So 5 times 2 is 10 times 3 is 30. So now we need to get the LCM. We need to get the denominators correct. So 7 by 10 into 3 by 3, you get 21 by 30. 2 by 5, 12 by 30. Negative 11 by 15, negative 22 by 30. 1 by 6, you get 5 by 30. Finally, 17 by 30, you get 17 by 30. And thus we arranged all of them in the descending order. I hope you understood, but you need practice for sure to understand better. Well, I'm sure you enjoyed and understood this session. To learn the next concept, click on the video here. You can also subscribe to my channel here and continue to enjoy learning more and more concepts.